everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I'm your Snehal teacher from BTC. Dear children, I welcome all my Standard 5 children in today's English session. In today's session, what we are going to learn? So, let's see. So, today's activity is what will they do? आजच्या भागामध्ये आपण एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी जी करणार आहोत तिचं नाव आहे व्हॉट विल दे डू. सी चिल्ड्रन, in last session we have read and learned that story of little red hen. So in that story we have learned that little red hen is asking some questions to the cat, to the dog and to the duck. So again in this session we are going to deal with some different types of questions and their answers too. मागच्या भागामध्ये आपण लिटिल रेड हेन ही गोष्ट शिकलो आणि त्याच्यात आपण काही प्रश्न कसे विचारायचे याचा अभ्यास केला. आजच्या भागामध्ये सुद्धा आपण प्रश्न विचारायला शिकणार आहोत. त्याचबरोबर या प्रश्नांची उत्तर सुद्धा लिहायची आहेत आणि ती कशी लिहायची ते आपण आजच्या भागामध्ये शिकणार आहोत. So before beginning this activity, I'll tell you what are the other things you will do in this today's session. So now you all have your textbooks. So open your book and you see there is this activity on page number 18 and activity number is 3. Okay. So as usual, I'll read this activity for you and we will see what are the other steps. So, while doing this activity, we have to do some different things. We will learn them one by one. First of all, look at the picture. There are some pictures in your book. Same pictures I'll be using here also. Okay, so you look carefully at those pictures, then read what it shows. Read along with it. Some matter is being printed there. बघा, चित्र दिलेलं आहे आणि त्या चित्राबरोबर काहीतरी वाक्य लिहिलेली आहेत. तर ती वाक्य आपण वाचायची आहेत. त्यानंतर से व्हॉट विल हॅपन. ती वाक्य वाचल्यानंतर आपल्याला कळेल की आपल्याला काहीतरी विचारलंय किंवा आपल्याला काहीतरी सांगायचंय, तर ते आपण काय सांगणार आहोत ते आपण त्याचा विचार करायचा. अँड लास्ट राईट डाऊन युअर आन्सर. सो इन 4 steps we are going to do this activity. First of all, you will look at the picture, then you will read what it shows, the description of the picture, then there is a question for you. So you have to answer that question orally and then you will write down your answer. Okay? प्रथम चित्र बघायचंय, त्याच्याबरोबर दिलेली जी काही इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे ती वाचायची आहे. काय होईल, काय केलं जाईल हे आपण सांगायचंय आणि नंतर ते आपण लिहायचंय. So let's begin with the activity. So there is first picture you can see. Look at the picture. Then I'll read it. You also read from your textbook. Mr. Clean does not like the scribbling on the wall. Now I'll make it little bigger so that you people can see here on my screen. Mr. Clean does not like the scribbling on the wall. You can see in the picture someone has scribbled on the wall. शाळेच्या भिंतींवर सुद्धा बघा कोणी कोणी काय काय खडूने वगैरे गिरवलेलं असतं, रेघोट्या मारलेल्या असतात, लिहिलेलं असतं. So here is Mr. Clean and he does not like the scribbling on the wall. So what will he do? काय करेल बरं Mr. Clean? Mr. Clean does not like the scribbling on the wall. What will he do? काय करतील मिस्टर क्लीन? काय करतील बघा चित्र बघून. Yes, he has a bucket of water and a piece of cloth and he is cleaning it. Right? So we will write it now. He will clean it with water and a piece of cloth. Okay? See 4 steps. First look at the picture. Read what is given there. Then say what will happen and then write your answer. So in this way, in 4 steps we are going to perform this activity. 4 steps चित्र बघायचंय, त्याच्याबरोबर लिहिलेलं वाचायचंय, त्यानंतर काय बरं होईल, काय बरं केलं जाईल हे आपण सांगायचंय आणि मग आपलं उत्तर लिहायचंय. आता तुमच्यासाठी मी इथे उत्तर लिहून दाखवलंय. He will clean it with a water and a piece of cloth. Now, the next picture. Mr. Knocker wants to enter this house. There is Mr. Knocker. Knock, you know, tuck tuck, tuck tuck. Somebody is knocking the door. We say दरवाजावर ठकठक करणे, थाप मारणे, त्याला नॉक म्हणतात. So here is Mr. Knocker. Mr. Knocker wants to enter this house. What will he do? तुम्हाला जर कोणाच्या घरी जायचं असेल आणि त्यांचा दरवाजा बंद असेल तर तुम्ही काय करता बरं? विचार करा आणि सांगा. ठीक आहे? तुमचं आता उत्तर तयार असेल. You check it with my answer. He will knock on the door. What will he do? He will knock on the door or he will ring the bell. See, there can't be only one answer, right? So I am showing you here different options. बघा कुठल्याही प्रश्नाचं इथे जे काही प्रश्न आहे त्याचं एक आणि एकच उत्तर नसेल, आपल्याकडे आणखीन पण पर्याय असतील तर आपण ते तसं लिहायचंय. एक तर तो दरवाजावर ठकठक करेल किंवा बेल वाजवेल, राईट? He will knock on the door or he will ring the bell. Okay, clear? Now, the next picture. Manisha is hungry. Manisha is hungry. What will she do? Now she is returning from the school. You can see in the picture and she is hungry. So while returning from the school, while going to home, even we are hungry. Then what we do? So think about it. And now I'll show you my answers. She will go home and have her lunch. Right? ती घरी जाऊन जेवेल किंवा or she will buy something to eat. If she is too hungry that she can't wait to reach her home, then on the way she will buy something to eat. घरी जाण्या इतकी पण तिच्यात ताकद नसेल तर ती रस्त्यातच काहीतरी छोटस असं थोडंफार खायला घेईल, चणे शेंगदाणे, एखादं फळ वगैरे, हो की नाही? She will go home and have her lunch or she will buy something to eat. तुमचा आन्सर ह्याच्यापेक्षा वेगळं असू शकेल. Next picture. Manish is thirsty. Now Manish is doing jogging or some other activities. So Manish is thirsty. You can see here. What will he do? After running in the sun or after doing jogging or after doing exercise, we are thirsty. So what we do? What Manish will do? Read the answer. He will drink some water. He will drink some water. Okay? Now the next picture, you can see here in that picture a small girl named Dolly falls and hurts her knee. What will her friends do? You can see Dolly has fell down and her friends are looking at her and they are thinking what they can do, how they can help her while playing. Even sometimes you fail or your friends fail, then what you people do or how you help your friends, just think about it. खेळताना आपण बऱ्याचदा पडतो किंवा आपले मित्रमैत्रिणी पडतात, मग आपण त्यांना कशी मदत करतो. Now see in picture you can see Dolly is very small girl and even her friends are of her age only. They are all small children. So what her friends will do for her? Let's read the answer. Her friends will help her to go to her home. तिचे मित्रमैत्रिणी ॲट द मोस्ट काय करतील? तिला घरी जायला मदत करतील किंवा तिला तिच्या घरी घेऊन जातील. Or her friends will inform her parents. Or her friends will inform her parents. किंवा तिच्या पॅरेंट्सना बोलवून, आई बाबांना बोलवून तिला घरी घेऊन जायला सांगतील. राईट? ते काय स्वतः तिच्यावर औषध उपचार करणार नाही बिकॉज दे आर ऑल स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन. Her friends will help her to go to her home or her friends will inform her parents. Next. See here in picture, very funny picture. Mr. and Mrs. Engineer are busy. Mr. and Mrs. Engineer are busy. Sheru wants to play. You can see in a picture there is a couple, Mr. and Mrs. Engineer. Engineer is their surname. And Sheru is their dog. Sheru wants to play with them, but they are very busy in their work. What will happen? मिस्टर अँड मिसेस इंजिनियर आपापल्या कामामध्ये बिझी आहेत, पण शेरूला तर खेळायचंय. मग काय होईल बघा. काय होतं तुमच्याकडे जर पेट डॉग असेल तर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. ओके, थॉट अबाउट इट. चेक युअर आन्सर विथ माइंड. शेरू विल नॉट लेट देम वर्क. शेरू विल नॉट लेट देम वर्क. एक तर तो त्यांना काम करायला देणार नाही, बरोबर, मध्ये 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 जाईल. और शेरू विल वेट टिल दे फिनिश देअर वर्क. शेरू जर एकदम शाणू या डॉगी असेल तर तो काय करेल? इट विल वेट टिल दे फिनिश देअर वर्क. तो त्यांचं काम संपेपर्यंत वाट बघेल. शेरू विल वेट टिल दे फिनिश देअर वर्क. सो देर आर मेनी पॉसिबिलिटीज, राईट? नाव देर इज डिफरंट सिच्युएशन. आता आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रसंगी काय होऊ शकतं किंवा काय करू शकतात हे आपण पाहिलं. आता आणखीन एक सिच्युएशन आपल्याला दिली आहे बघा. यू कॅन सी इन द पिक्चर. व्हॉट इज दॅट पिक्चर? नाउ इट्स मॉन्सून, रेनी सीझन. सो इट्स अबाउट टू रेन. अगदी पावसाचे ढग भरून आलेले आहेत, सगळीकडे अंधार झालेला आहे, अगदी आता पाऊस पडणार. अशा वेळेला इट्स अबाउट टू रेन. व्हॉट विल दे डू? बघा सिच्युएशन काय समजून घ्या. काळे कुट्ट ढग आकाशात जमलेले आहेत आणि आता अगदी लगेच पाऊस सुरू होणार आहे. अशा वेळेला ते काय करतील हे आपल्याला सांगायचंय. इट्स अबाउट टू रेन. व्हॉट विल दे डू? फर्स्ट सिच्युएशन, we will read that situation. Sunil is getting ready for school. Now you can see in the picture Sunil is ready with his bag. Now he is ready for school. He is getting ready for school. शाळेत जायला तयार होतो आणि अशा वेळेला बाहेर बघतोय तर ढग गोळा झाले, अंधार झालाय. What will Sunil do? Observe the picture carefully. You see what other things you can see in the picture. चित्रात तुम्हाला आणखीन काय काय कोणत्या कोणत्या गोष्टी दिसत आहेत त्याचा वापर करून आपलं उत्तर तयार करायचंय. कसं ते बघा. He will wear his raincoat and gumboots. राईट? म्हणजे जाता जाता भिजायलाच नको म्हणून तो आधीच काय करेल? रेनकोट आणि गंबूट घालून रेडी होईल आणि मग तो शाळेत जायला बाहेर पडेल. Sunil is getting ready for school and it's about to rain. What will he do? He will wear his raincoat and gumboots. This is the first situation. Second situation is same. It's about to rain. What will they do? Now the next scene. You can see there an old man is in the garden and what is he doing? Daji is going to water the plants. He is ready with the hose pipe, right? He wants to water the plants in his garden. But he looks at the sky and he can see there are dark clouds in the sky. दाजी जेव्हा आकाशाकडे बघतात तेव्हा त्यांना कळतं की आता थोड्याच वेळात पाऊस पडणार आहे. मग ते काय करतील बघा? झाडांना पाणी घालतील का? नो. He will not water the plants. So simple. He will not water the plants. पाऊस पडणारच आहे तर कशाला पाणी घालायचं ना झाडांना? It's about to rain and Daji is going to water the plants, but now he will not water the plants. So easy to write. Situation is same. It's about to rain. What will they do? The scene is different. You can see a lady and there are some clothes on clothesline. So, what is the situation? Vanita Kaku has put the clothes on the clothesline to dry. Vanita Kaku has put the clothes on the clothesline to dry. कपडे वाळत घातलेत बघा आणि पावसाळी झालंय. असं आपल्याकडे पण झालं की आई काय करते? You know the situation. Vanita Kaku has put the clothes on the clothesline to dry. What will she do? She will remove the clothes from the clothesline. That's too simple. She will remove the clothes from the clothesline. पाऊस यायच्या आधी सगळे कपडे ती पटापट काढून घेईल. She will remove the clothes from the clothesline. And the next, same situation. It's about to rain. What will they do? Now you can see a cow. What is she doing? Sundara is grazing. Grazing means she is eating grass and it's about to rain. सुंदरा छानपैकी चरते आणि आता पाऊस आल्यावर काय करेल? Look in the picture. Look carefully. What other thing is there in the picture? You can see there is a big tree. So what Sundara will do? She'll take shelter under the tree. Sundara will take shelter under the tree. Right? She'll go and stand under the tree. So children, in this way, in today's session, we have seen how to answer different questions in our own words. Now here I have shown you my answers. Okay. Now after watching this video, you watch this video for many times, you pause it, you read it and write down answers I have shown you in this video, and after that try to write down your own answers. Okay. So all the best to you. See you in next session with new topic. Till then, bye bye. Take care.